Got it here another very unique knife by Mantis. This is a gyro utility knife. What's so unique about it? First of all, pretty comfortable. As you can see, will be fun to take apart some boxes because it just sits in your hand so well like that. And whenever you close it, frame lock, you see there's a little push button, and it's a little belt clip or anything, pocket clip, whatever you want to clip it on, maybe onto backpack. And as you can see, it will kind of like spin. So whenever it's on your backpack, you grab this and pull this out, and then you have a little circle, kind of like a spider core reminds me of, but a little bit different. And you have right here like a hole that you put it into your finger and hold it this way. With my big hands, it's actually pretty comfortable, and it has this pointy blade, so that way you can take apart boxes no problem. So you clip it onto your pocket, whatever, you just kind of point it this way, grab it, flip it over, open it, boom. Use it to open up, break up boxes, whatever you're gonna have to use your utility knife for. Pop it back in, easy. You see it spins too, all the way, so it's not in the way. Very small. So again, just grab it, pop it in, open it, boom. Open up some boxes, break up wires, whatever. Close it off, lock it back in. Super unique. I really like that knife a lot. That clip, very tight too.